Hi all, how you doing? Just another little commute home video tonight. This should just be a little short one, because hopefully not a lot will happen. So it's been another absolute scorcher here today in Edinburgh. So yeah, it's been all good, and as usual I've been busy. Road on left closed. That's the road that I went through this morning. Absolute carry on. So I think I'll take a little trip out the Ingliston Road and have a look at the Highland Show. It should be finished now, like, but we'll have a look at it anyway. See the amount of traffic lights in this shithole, it's unbelievable. Look, that's all you can see is traffic lights. It's unbelievable. But that's the council for you. Anything to cause congestion. And the state of the roads as well, it's unbelievable. This road's only semi-decent, or only decent, because it's been ripped up God knows how many times. So they had no option but to relay it all. But it won't last. Give it a year, this will be all potholed as well. Then it'll be all patches again like this with the cowboy utility companies. Right, let's take a cheeky little left here. Break it up a little bit for a change, eh? Right, after this Audi, let's go. This is a good wee shortcut. I use this quite a lot at work. These are lovely, I think they must be what, 1930s Art Deco apartments, flats. Absolutely stunning. And then you've got these 1970s or 1980s builds, townhouses. Sure, this used to be the Scottish and Newcastle brewery offices here on the left once upon a time, and then it all got demolished for all the houses. Right, normally I'll go straight over here, but I'm going to take a cheeky little right today and go along past the zoo. Look at the state of the roads. Unbelievable. Patch after patch after patch. Now they shouldn't be allowed to do that. They shouldn't get away with that. If they dig the road up, these cowboy utility companies, they should be forced to renew the whole section. And like 10 metres on each side of it. And right up to the join in the middle. There should be no roads with all these patches and tracks and all that shite in it. Well, this is Kerstorfen. Quite an affluent area. But again, like every other high street, this has changed so much over the years. It really has. Takeaways and Turkish barbers and nail bars. Just the usual. This building up here on the other side of the roundabout, Lidl's, it used to be PC World. It originally opened as Safeway's, the supermarket, and that didn't last long, and then it became PC World. And I can remember, oh, this was about 20 odd years ago, I bought a computer out of there. It was all singing and all dancing at the time. I'm going back 21 years actually, and it would have cost me £1,400, which was a fair bit of money back then. And I got it on the finance, so picked up this all singing, all dancing PC, got it home, and it didn't work right. So I got in touch with them. They sent a repair guy out. He changed components on it. I think he changed the hard drive on it, and it still didn't work right. So he went and came back out again, and he changed the motherboard on it, and it still didn't work right. I was losing the plot at this point, so I took it into the shop, and they changed God knows what else on it, maybe the memory or whatever, I don't know. Told me that they'd tested it and it was working fine. Took it home, and it still didn't work right, you know. So you can imagine I was losing the plot. So I phoned them up again, spoke to the manager of the shop, says, listen, this computer's a piece of shite, it still doesn't work properly. I would like an exchange or a refund. And he refused both. He says, you're not getting an exchange and you're not getting a refund. And I thought, is that right? And he says, well, I'll bring it back in. Okay. So I took the whole lot in, computer, monitor, keyboard, the lot, and I fucking launched it right over the counter, and it smashed the fuck on the floor. It says, there's your computer back, thank you very much. And then I phoned the finance company up. I'd been in touch with them as well about getting a resolution, and they weren't any help either. And then I phoned the finance company up, and I says, that computer, I says, I've took it back to PC World and it's in bits because I launched it right over the counter. I says, so you better deal with them about getting payment for it, because I ain't paying fuck all. And I didn't, and I never heard anything again about it. They never even defaulted me. So yeah, PC World, I don't even know if they're still on the go, but I never ever went back. I'm not sure. Well, this is the Royal Highland Show up here on the right hand side. Well, that's the airport there, the Highland Show is just beyond it. And this was absolute carnage from 7 o'clock this morning, and it was only the first day. So no doubt the next 3 days it's going to be carnage again, but thankfully I've only got one more day to work, and then I'm on holiday again for a fortnight. So happy days. So the guys at work were saying that this was carnage with all the cones today, and yeah, I can see why. They used to let them turn right in there, so I don't know how they're getting in now. It's all your marshals and what have you. Security, GS4. So yeah, that's a Highland Show in there. Big wheel, Ferris wheel, whatever you call it. Absolute shite, so it is. And it costs you a fortune to get in there as well. An absolute fortune. And when it's pissing the rain, your car will end up getting stuck there. I've seen tractors pulling cars out of there. but I think the weather's to be okay this weekend, so they'll probably get away with it. Right, I think I'll jump onto the motorway, because just want to get home. Just you change lanes, you arsehole. That'll be good for the bike to get a little run on the motorway, because I only use this for commuting now, so it doesn't really get any decent sort of runs. So it's good to let it stretch its legs. This contraflow here, where the crossover point is, right here, when they set these roadworks up, that was all gravel and it was all potholed to hell. So I got in touch with the council and made them aware of it. I only really wanted them to sweep all the gravel away, but they ended up doing one better and they resurfaced that little patch, which was fair play to them, like, fair play to them, because it was bad, But as soon as you mention health and safety and motorcyclists and that, they're quite quick to act, because the last thing they obviously want is a claim. If you come off your bike, it could cost them millions. So guys, on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.